This is my $15 flamethrower, and I'm going to show you how to make it. But first, let's go launch it. Okay, so bare minimum, I went to Home Depot, and all the supplies together would be $15. But if you want to make it a little bit nicer, then it's going to cost you about $30 to $40. So this is everything you're going to need. It's right here if you want to make the nicer version, right? So you're going to need a caulk gun, you're going to need butane, and a little slab of wood. You can use whatever you want. I just like using this, and then some super glue. So pretty much the basic idea is you have this caulk gun, right? And it perfectly fits a can of butane. When you press the trigger, it moves up this little plunger right here. Now, butane shoots out when this little nozzle on the end is compressed, right? Highly flammable. When you're shooting it up, it's gas butane. Upside down, liquid butane. That's what we want. So we're gonna put it inside of our gun right here. And all we need to do is fashion something on the end. So when we press this trigger, it moves the can of butane up against this piece of wood, and butane comes out. Mine broke, but let's go ahead and make a new one, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing you're going to need to get is a little thin piece of material. It does not matter what it is. I have a little piece of wood from a wood burning set. Now I'm going to cut it and shape it to match this barrel. Like I said, it can be anything. It can be plastic, paper, as long as it's strong enough to be able to push out that thing.
Okay, so the actual shape of your piece of wood doesn't matter as long as it fits inside of the barrel. For me it does, since I already had a piece of wood in there prior, but you guys are just going to cut it out and super glue it to the metal.
Okay, to measure it out, I just took the can and put the piece of wood right here, and then I pushed it forward and it made a little indent, so that's exactly how I know where to drill. Now I don't want to make the hole too big, because if it is too big, then this thing can push all the way through. If it's small, that's all you need, because it can still shoot out. It doesn't need to be going actually through the hole. It just needs to, just like that. Okay, now that that's done, we just need to lather super glue everywhere, really, and let it dry. Just opened up a fresh can, so time for a cool montage. To light it, hold the flame, press the trigger. It doesn't always work, most of the time.